So we're working on the Jeep engine a little bit, the 4.2 liter project. We just blasted all of the valves and now we are going to polish and grind and then finally wash them. Dustin is setting up the valve grinder. We're gonna do the intake valves first. Those need to be ground to 29 degrees. And just to make sure that everything is smooth and there's no rough edges so that it can sit in that seat perfectly. And we are cutting the exhaust valves to 44 degrees. And this is what grinding a valve looks like, guys.
It's not a big deal. Oh my god, it's not.
Ooh!
We're cutting it. We'll check it. If it's bad, it'll be bad.
I've been sitting on the footage for a couple of days. Some of you might know why, but I don't know if you caught that, but I just screwed up that valve pretty bad. Wasn't sure if I was gonna say anything about it, but I figure, what the heck? This is my first engine build. This is my first time ever grinding valves. Chances of me getting through this whole thing without damaging something permanently are pretty low, right? And here's the thing, we're not gonna send out a defective unit, so I might as well just be honest about what happened. I am gonna show you guys what happened again. Right there. Basically, when I went to put the valve into the machine, I knocked it right into the stone. And then you can hear it once I start grinding, you can hear that there is a pretty major gash in there. This is what it looked like after all of that happened. So you can see that big sort of gash on the side of the valve. And something that small does really make a huge difference. Basically, we've got two options. So obviously we're going to lap it and try to make it work. But if that doesn't work, obviously we would need to get a new valve, in which case we'll probably just replace all of the valves. So the bright side is I get to show you guys how to lap a valve. So when I get in and I'm doing that next week, I'll definitely make sure to post a video of that. But for now, look at all of the other valves that we finished. They look great.